Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, and here we are on the 12th of August. Time is flying, and it is 2021, and we're at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Very flat stock market. You were moments ago unchanged in the S&P, up a bit in the Dow. Notice that the Russell has gained a little more strength, and it's been doing that over the past 2 days. On the NASDAQ, which has been, it lost its bullish embedded reading, and it's got momentum issues right now. Metal markets, well, backing off again, not doing real good there as the dollar's picked up one more time. On the energy front today, you're seeing a stable to lower market. OPEC has said that they came out with their numbers for demand. They're not changing anything going 2021 and into 2022. Very different than what the IEA did. The IEA said no, they're looking for reductions in demand due to the COVID-19 in 2022. Please beware of today. In the grain markets, you have the USDA WASDE report coming out. The market's going to focus on Brazilian and U.S. corn production, but soybeans also move dramatically on this. You can get limit moves, so beware of what goes on with this. It's going to be a new way that the USDA also is doing these reports. They're using some newer technology to come out with these yield estimates now. The U.S. Producer Price Index showed inflation. You can see it was up 1%. They expected it up 0.6%. Personal consumption was good, and they left June's unchanged. If you look at the jobless claims, right in line, down 12,000 to 375. That's exactly what the market was looking for. As I said, energy analysts, they're going to be today in the nat gas looking for a 50 billion cubic foot injection. We get the WASDE report. Eurozone industrial production today came in, and as you can see, the market's slipping back a little bit on that. Again, the Delta COVID situation, and the Philippine Central Bank left their interest rate unchanged. We get two more central banks today. We're going to get the central banks of Peru and Mexico giving us what they're going to do. But I think that you have to focus on the fact that the PPI number was a hot number, that the market is sort of trying to shrug it off, saying, well, you know, it's because of the bottleneck congestion. And there is a big story today. I believe it's in Bloomberg. I read so many articles this morning from different sources as to what's going on at the key ports, Singapore, what's going on in Beijing, all these different major areas. And the container ships are again stacking up. COVID is creating an issue. That'll be both for goods coming in, going out, and there's your bottlenecks one more time. I want to remind you that one of the things that I try to do with you is bring you up to this before you're seeing any of these reports. My traders have already been brought up to date with specific buy here, sell there recommendations. I do that. I record at 5:40. It's in their hands before 6:30 a.m. And I am specific. I go, this is what I want you to do here, there. There are times I do nothing, and there are times I'm all over the market. I'll talk to you short-term, long-term strategies. 40 different charts we're going to cover each morning. The video is about 20 minutes long. You can watch it on your iPhone, pads, PCs, any different way. But if you come into our website, it's the best way, because at the bottom of each video there's a scroll bar, and as you pull it, it tells you what section's coming up next. And these are the different market